Hello everyone, I'm Zishan Shah and welcome to Z Interactive Premium Tutorial. Now in this lesson what we are going to do is that uh, if you remember we created the handles map in the last lesson, the bump map. Now in this lesson what I have did is that I have removed that, and I have now what I'm doing is that I'm just adding dents on it. So if you want to keep that, you can keep it. Otherwise what you can do is that you can create a dent, small dents over it, so it looks like a little bit old. So I added a cell, then I added a save transform, and I have uh, added I have increased a little bit tile of it, and I'm using a blend node there, the same one, and I use subtract. Now I have added levels over here. What I'm going to do is that in the levels I'll just reduce it. I will get back my uh, like handle back to the position. I'll reduce the white amount there. So now you can see that it looks more dense over it. So I will reduce the level output high. The white amount I will reduce like with the level output high. So I have created these small bumps with the help of cell. Okay, so I added the cell over there, that's cells node. You can use any cell node. I'm using this one, the one which I just showed you. So now I will add another blend node here, and I will use add. Now here I will place even a little bigger dents. So I will add a new spot, black and white spot 1. I will scale it up so it becomes more it have more tiles. I will add a levels here, and I will try to increase the black amount so I can have these white spotches over there. Now what I will do here is that I will use save transform in between these so I can even increase more tiles, something like this. Later on you can change it. I just added just like this right now, and you can see this is what I'm getting right at the point. So I will subtract it, and you can see the small dents over there. So the tiles, I think it's a bit smaller, so I have to work on the tiles. And I don't think I need a save transform, so I will remove the save transform. I will just work on the scale of the black and white spot. Now I will take the same opacity mask which I used in the bumps from the cells here, so it will only affect this area. So you can see that these white spotches are only affecting that area. So I will just play with the settings here of the levels. I will just push or pull the white in order to get more higher effect or lower effect. Just up to you how much you want the effect to be there. So if you want more visible effect, I want more, so you can like keep it higher. I want a subtle effect, so I'm decreasing the value here. So you can see tiny bits of these like Dents. Once you will apply the albedo on it, it will look more perfect. It will make more sense. It's not showing because the value is too low, but you can see on the mesh itself. So let's play with the levels a little bit more just to see what sort of result we can get more out of it. Okay, now you can see the effect is coming out. This is how it looks like on this side, and let's see on the other side. The other side, it's looks like this. So let's play with the settings a little bit more. It's all about trial and error, just like I always say. You just have to see where you get the nice value so you can use them to create a nice looking effect. I'll just decrease the value even more. Okay, now more visible, but it shouldn't be that deep. I don't want it to be too deep, so I'll just change the values there. Okay, so this looks fine. It's all about light also. So the light is too bright over there, so you are not able to see. Here the light is a little darker, so you can see here. So with more brighter light, it's a little hard to see. So what I will do here is that I want the same effect on the both sides, so I will just mirror it. I can get the effect from the left side to the right side. So that's it. I hope you have understood, you have learned something out of this tutorial. So thanks a lot for becoming member of my premium membership plan. And thanks a lot everyone for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos but not have subscribed to my channel. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications about the new contents I will be uploading soon. If you have liked my video, so please hit the like button also, and if you have any queries or questions, then please leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and they instead download them. So please, if someone is doing this, or if you find someone doing this, then please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all. Therefore, help me to get new subscriber. I will take off now, everyone. Then take care, guys. Till we meet in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.